I will tell you because you said you had the 700 credit score. So you already told me before you had a 700 credit score. I want everybody to definitely try to build a relationship with Navy Fed because it's an easy way to get in there. And you said you had an unsecured card already. So definitely try to build a relationship with them. And I don't think there's you don't have anything else negative. Try to get some credit cards. Like look into credit unions that's actually in your area. Try to see if you have any credit unions that's in your area that you can apply for credit cards with. Because when I applied for a credit card that's in my area, it was so easy to get a credit card with them. Like so easy. So go in, especially like if it's a smaller credit union where everything is done in house. It's going to be so easy for you to get a credit card with them. And the only reason why I say I want you to do that is because you want to do like a soft pull. And if you were to try to get a credit card with all of these other companies, like if I tell you, oh, just go to Discover, they're going to give you a high limit. Try to get this Chase credit card. If I tell you to do these different things, you're going to get a hard inquiry. So if you want to try to get a soft inquiry, or not even just a soft inquiry, you want to have a better chance of getting approved because you can actually talk to the person that's going to approve you for your credit card. Try to just go to the credit union and ask them to approve you for a credit card. But definitely too, if you want like a soft pull, two more at all, they don't. Two more altogether, they don't even check your credit, but they're going to look into your bank account, so you can definitely try to get that credit card. And like I said, if you haven't already, start building up a relationship with Navy Fed because that's going to be very, very important with any type of